People are building amazing prompts with Metadata Studio. This is a prompt engineering platform for Salesforce that makes it really easy to manage your org with artificial intelligence. So here we are in Metadata Studio. I've got a bunch of prompts down the left-hand side. Let's select this one, Analyze the Role Hierarchy for Best Practices. Now, this is really easy to run as an end user. You just click the Submit button, select your roles, and your intelligent assistant tells you all kinds of things that are wrong with your role hierarchy. If it's not properly structured, if the names and descriptions are not consistent, role descriptions aren't informative enough, and then it gives you a whole list of steps to take to fix the problem. Now, if you're a prompt engineer, you can go even farther. Let's go over to Prompt Studio and let's ask an additional question. Please return the new roles as XML and submit that. And your intelligent assistant makes the requested changes to the role hierarchy, and you can look through those. And if you want, you can actually validate these by doing a test deployment against the destination org. And we see that this role hierarchy is valid XML, and at that point we can export it as a file for Salesforce DX or actually deploy it to the org right here. All right, that's a quick look at Metadata Studio.